Please. So how was your experience?
Really good. Really fun. Nice. So the kites flew so much. True. We saw people hitting other kites. It was pretty funny. It was pretty good. It's an awesome experience. The food was good too.
Oh, thank you. So will we see you in the next event as well?
Sure, we'll be here without any hesitation.
Thank
This is a really amazing, innovative idea. I think, the views are amazing. The concept was really nice. And of course, the food of Old Delhi, the chaat, the pav bhaji. There are no words to describe it. Kudos to Nidhi and India City Walks for organizing another amazing event. Thank you so much.
At first today, we didn't know how to fly a kite, and then as we went, we had an adult help us, and we actually won a contest, which is a pretty huge milestone.
So I loved it. I loved kite flying, and also we also won the contest to cut how many kites. We cut 22 kites.